kicked the bucket in the end, the end. All the girls kicked the bucket in the end, the end. And the boys kicked the bucket in the end, the end. Yep, we all kicked the bucket in the end, the end, the end, the end, the end. Blew up my TV. It was numb in my brain to be thinking the same as a million other people, all feeling afraid of the same thing, but there's nothing to lose, 'cause we're all on a bike and we're cycling through, getting off on our injuries. But you gotta get back on it and live it to love it and live